Come slow boys. So ऐसे चढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको इस पहाड़ पे. थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी लेवल 5 में 1.2 है, ज़्यादा नहीं. Bro, take left. मेरा लेफ्ट है इसलिए. Come slow. Bro, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ and then right. Hey, wait, what you are talking, man? You can't say this like that. Like you become a frog, okay, and come. Bro, you become a frog and come. Yeah, bro, yeah, you can do it, bro. See the doggish, bro, simply sitting like a lion. No, you can come. You want me to come? Hey, easy man. Wait, I'm coming. Hey, easy man. See, for this normal difficulty, it's fine. See, देख how you have to come. देख how I have to come. Simply like this, you have to crawl. What's your age? Bro, age is just a number. That's why I'm asking age. See, I came here. Just you become a frog. Come, I'll teach you. Just, hey, chill, come.
1 second, baby. Yeah.
See, I'm here with you. Come, become a frog, and then we'll go. Come, just turn right.
I'm not scared of climbing. I'm scared of coming back actually.
It's fine. We'll be back together.
You can go like this, right?
No. It's hard.
Oh,
Come.
No, 1 second.
आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो? Come. Hey, Ram. Ask him. He did not went up only. No, stuck here. Come on, boy, let's go.
Hey, no, bro.
Hey.
Look, it's fine. Because I'm scared of seeing that side actually. That's why. Here I'm not scared.
But you have to look at this side.
Look, I am not even looking that side. Even Dogeshwar is not looking that side, bro. Come. I am holding this side position. Come.
Hey, no, it's fine. Thank you so much, bro.
Turn back.
Just turn like this first. Turn how I am turning now. Turn.
Once you have to turn back.
Yeah, come, turn, man.
Don't look back.
Don't look back. There is a quote. No, don't look back. Come.
Turn back.
No, it's fine.
Just turn back first, like this.
I ran away from there actually. I am not scared of this one. If I see height, I get little scared.
Come.
That is why I'm telling you. You just look upside.
It's when you guys can.
Bro, the
simply
way.
you're wasting.
So, see, I am talking like this. Simply, one guy is coming. His name is Suman. If he comes, he will pick you in your hand, in his hand, okay, and he will take you on top. I'm sure. Ram, where is Suman? How far? See, he's coming. He will definitely take you on top. Come, man, come.
No.
Pakka, see how I am going.
It's all about fighting your fear, man.
Yes. See, today you will stay back here. Tomorrow, how about tomorrow?
What's your name?
Santosh.
Come on, Santosh.
Your name?
My name is KG, bro.
Hi, your name?
Hey, bro,
I think
go there and say hi to him, bro. Go there and say hi to him. Why from here only you are saying hi? See, I can see him, the big man. See, if he comes, he will take you. I am 100% sure. And this white t-shirt guy also come now. He will take you. Look at him. Look at him.
Just look at me.
Look at me.
Just keep looking at me.
Yeah.
You don't have to look down.
Ram,
Fine.
he's not going. Come with Suman fast.
Hey,
See,
seriously, I'm not
he will
coming.
take you in your. अरे भाई भाई चले यार चल ना. She's your mother, sister. Who is there? Friend.
No, she came with us actually.
Okay, friend, right? She went, man. She went. She proved it. Age is just a number. Hey, I can see the big man. Come on, Suman, come on. See, he's coming from that side only. अरे भाई look, इसको ले चलना है ऊपर. Okay, we have to take him up. Okay, I'm waiting for Suman only. He's coming. See, there is no.
Hey, I'm not coming. Seriously.
You don't have to go, bro. He will take you.
No.
I can see him. He's just 10 seconds there. Yeah, 10 step ahead. Bro, what a shot, man.
Here, no?
Yeah. Give me your phone. See? On top, I'll give you my phone. But give me, really, it was a beautiful picture. It will be a beautiful picture. Okay. Ready? Don't give me money. हाँ भाई हो गया एक्शन आपका. 1 second. Good na? Both mountains in between you. Suman! Bro, what he saying? He will not go on top. भाई पहाड़ पे मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं सीरियसली ब्रो. You are in danger. I am also in danger.
That's why you can.
Animals will come here. Seriously, I'm telling. I'm not joking. There are elephants.
If one kite start attacking, you know, another will come.
No.
काफ़ी ऊपर आ चुके हैं हम लोग. देखा जाए तो 1.5 और 1.8 किलोमीटर के आसपास हम लोग ऊपर चढ़ चुके हैं. एंड ट्रैक का लेवल डिफ़िकल्टी अभी 2 होते जा रहा है आउट ऑफ 5. अभी और ऊपर जाना है. नियर अबाउट 1.5 किलोमीटर मैक्स. बट ऐसे बोलते हैं 2.5 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक है. बाहर मौसम बहुत अच्छा है. एंड ऊपर चलते हैं. क्या
बाहर का तो पहाड़ के अंदर.
बाहर का मौसम है से वेदर.